Now, just so you know, I'm putting this in here now, but I might leave a couple off here to show you that while you're coding, what will end up happening is that the Eclipse will actually tell you need to import these. It'll tell you where to fix it, and I'll show you how to, when that happens. You know what? I'm gonna do that for all the widgets, little widgets that we have to put in. We're gonna do it on the fly as we come through here and we get the errors, so you can see what the errors are gonna look like, and you don't get too crazy with it. When you start seeing a little red come up. Now, right now, sometimes when you're coding, you get a little problem with all these bracket stuff. You kind of get screwed up, and you get thrown off a little bit. I like to start commenting right now at the ends of the bracket, so I know when classes or methods end. Now there's two ways that you can do this. You can do the two double slashes like this, or you can even go with these. Now it turned blue because I had 3 asterisks in here, so I do that because it'll stand out a little bit more most of the time than this. But I'm doing this so I don't accidentally delete a bracket, or I don't program inside or outside a certain method unless I want to. Alright, now we're going to declare an object gallery. Now this is where that little ID works. That's why right here, this code right here is why it's very important that we name that gallery 1. If we had 3 galleries, you'd want like gallery 1, 2, and 3. You want them separate. Now here's your little error right here. Now it's telling me to import the gallery Android widget. I double click that and bam, it automatically comes up here. Alright. Now we're doing an image adapter. Get another error, right? Okay, we're not going to worry about this just yet. Now, we're getting this error right now, mostly because of that little semicolon there. Let's see what we're also going to get right here. I'm not going to change this yet. What's most likely happening is, since I haven't put all the code in, it's not getting a proper value inside or a proper method inside, so it's erroring. Alright. Now sometimes things like this make life a little easier. Alright, right in here you're going to see that we have those little plus signs, okay? This right here is a string it's going to show, and this plus means add this into the string, and you're going to see this come up. It's just a little pop-up thing. And then position +1 means, you know, the position number +1. Because a lot of these positions in, like, just like your arrays will start at position 0 for the first thing, okay? But this is a way to bring all three of these things into the single string. Alright. Now we're still getting these errors. I'm not going to do this yet. That. But we're going to import that adapter view, okay? Alright. Now this is a class, and this is a class. This is a class inside of a class. You can have like a ton of classes inside here if we decided to. Now if you're going to notice, like when I'm typing certain things, like this variable, the first letter is lowercase, but then like when it changes words, the next word or multiple words will be the uppercase. That is just a general naming convention when you're dealing with Java or C++. Maybe other programming languages too, I just haven't learned them yet. Now some of these comments, I'm going to tell you right now that I'm doing this out of a book, so I'm copying directly. But a lot of times what you'll do is you'll write stuff and then you'll comment it out after, comment out stuff later. Now, it seems like I would have the same thing right here, right? Obtain styled attributes. But part of the problem is because I forgot that T right there. Alright. Little spelling errors, little capitalization errors will throw off your whole code and sometimes really annoy you. Now notice as image adapter is asking you for adding unimplemented methods. Let's see what those ones are. Look at that. Get count, get item ID, get item. All these things here. I was going to have to hard code every single one in there. Okay. But Eclipse is pretty smart and automatically knows that I need certain things. Alright, these to-dos, by the way, are little tasks that if you have this tasking set up here, it'll actually tell you where to go. As you do that task, you should erase them out.